Hi, I'm Jason, sales manager here at Roywood Transits. Today I do the sales walk around video for you for the Auto Camper mRv Highline behind me. So for sale here at Roywood Transits, November 17, 67 reg, it's a Ford Transit Custom, it's Auto Camper mRv. Short wheelbase and Highline. 66,000 miles, so nice miles, good level of service history. Wet belt was changed last year as well. The vehicle will be fully prepared here in our workshop. It'll be supplied with our own 6-month warranty for your peace of mind too. Nice extras on this one, as we can see, sticker kit, 18-inch Calibre alloys. We've also got the 2.5 Fiamma awning with some nice additions on the inside as well. So 2 seats in the front, both swivel, as you can see here. There's a table that goes in on the leg when you're not using the bed. And we've got our unique suspended bed system, which is set up at the moment for the double bed. So 2 seats, two berth. So we're set at the lower height at the moment for the rear bed. You can also set it at a higher height as well. And there's additional seats that are available to purchase if you want to. 4 rails in the floor. So click and fit lots and lots of different bits and pieces in there for you. And our clever bed rail system, which is detailed in the images as well. So nice bright LED lights on the inside here. Skylight. We've got Webasto blown air diesel heating. 40 litres fresh, 40 litres waste. Water tanks underslung. 2-burner hob with a camping gas bottle at the back. Compressor fridge for you as well. Solar panel on the roof, connected to leisure battery as well as a starter battery. Tow bar, 13-pin electrics, rear wash wipe, 2 side loading doors, driver's door security lock upgrade as well. Multi-rail on this side above this side loading door, so you can fix a drive-away tent on if you need to. Compressor fridge with a freezer box at the top there. Access to cutlery drawer from the outside and the kitchen system from the outside as well. Extra preparation space, which is very straightforward just to pop back down. Not easy while you're holding the camera. So here we've got the additional leg for the higher bed system, and this is for the table leg. And the table is stored on the back of the side loading door. We can't see it with the door open. Okay, so with the door closed, you can see the dining table is just stored on the inside of the door there. Into the cab, electric windows, electric folding mirrors, auto headlights, nice leather wrapped steering wheel, automatic for you. So nice miles, automatic. Again, good level of service history and be fully prepared here. We've got heated seats, aircon, heater, stereo with an old school CD player as well. Heated front windscreen, heated rear windscreens, parking sensors, auto start stop. Auto start stop, nice feature when we were out on road test last week. Engine just cuts out as you come into the traffic lights. Windows all round, well, windows to the 3rd row on the passenger side rear, not on the driver's side rear. So if we close the door here, you can see that that panel where you've got the wardrobe hasn't had the glazing done. Overall, great condition van, cracking spec for you, drives lovely with the automatic gearbox. If you'd like any more details, or you'd like to book a test drive or a viewing, or you've got any questions for me, no problem at all. Give me a call in the office, please. 0118 979 0060. Thanks very much for your interest. Thanks for watching. Take care.